might be the start of our electric video because electric really happened today. Well, and Chris made it happen.
Outlets can be run in series. AC outlets specifically can be run in series. I'm sure DC outlets can be as well, since they're just like on-off things. But yeah, so I also learned how to I don't know if splice is the word, but join 3 14-2 wires with ground. Solid wire is really difficult to work with. It's really annoying. Electricity in general is annoying. I'm over it.
I think this is one of the harder parts though of it all. So the fact that you got that done, it's awesome.
I was just trying to be extra precautious. And then also,
yeah, we don't really want the fan catching on fire.
Yeah.
So Chris did something amazing today. He got our solar panel up on the roof. Can't really see it too much right now because it's one of those thin, bendy ones, flexible ones, but he threw some plywood up there just so it wouldn't start absorbing light just yet. But then he also installed the little that protects the wires when they go in. And yeah, he's just been really kicking butt at electricity. It does not look easy. It looks extremely complicated with all the wires and all the different components. But I'll have him explain the whole system once it's kind of getting towards the end.
The biggest progress we've made is this is finally secure.
Oh, nice! Which
so it was that screw.
Oh, fun! It just really needed these. Awesome. All right, Chris. If there's one thing you've learned from electricity, the electric system that you think would be beneficial to share, what would it be?
I've learned a lot about electrical, but there's always more to learn. It's if you can find don't try to learn it on your own. That's what I would say. Ask someone, hire an electrician for like an hour, have them kind of teach you the basics or run through like your diagram and help you figure out what you need, but make sure you get all the info about every single like detail, like jot down more details about what we're using and all that stuff, and then have a list of questions, because I'll probably have like way more questions than this that I've asked, but those are just the ones I wrote down and I went to a hardware store to ask. I still have more questions. Maybe one day I'll do a video where I just kind of walk through everything, because
we'll try
there's not enough videos explaining everything.
We'll try to film as many components as we can, but it's kind of been I've been working on my own projects and Chris is doing his own, so I missed things to film. But maybe before we put the walls up over here, Chris can explain what all these wires mean, and then we'll just show, you know, like you actually tying them, like twist, 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 twist.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
That's the easy part.
Oh, okay.
The hard part was just figuring out everything.
All right, we got Mr. Electrician getting all the lights set up, which it's looking amazing.
Thank you.
It's looking so clean and so nice. So you're cutting the wires.
Stripping the wires.
Stripping the wires.
Yeah, I'm probably not doing the best job of stripping, but yeah, I'm not very like time efficient either. But
Oh, wow.
I'm trying to develop a rhythm. Will I? Who knows? I'd like to.
Chris is killing it at electrical. We have one outlet, 2 outlets, but still, it's getting finished, which is super exciting. Do you have anything to say? This is an update, day before we leave. How you feeling?
I do the same thing I do when I go to the gym, where I forget to breathe while I'm doing things, and then I get really lightheaded afterwards. Because I don't think I was breathing while I was
Yeah, it's a little important.
breathe.
Yeah.
Breathe.
Yep.
Oh. You want to say hi, Uncle Rohan? Hello. That's Uncle Rohan.
He's letting us, yeah.
Stay here for just finish building.
Because our lease was up at our workspace.
Yeah, so I'm very grateful for this
Generosity, yeah.
kindness.
Yeah. We're getting so close. So close. It's like so close it hurts almost. So this guy, he has been working his butt off on electrical. We haven't been filming much because it's just been stressful and I've been doing my own thing. But we're at the very end of it all and he has something to show me.
Yeah, I was just spending a lot of time on my phone. It's not as exciting as what Brittany's been doing.
Maybe we'll like kind of...
I might do a video. Again, I keep saying this, but I definitely want to do like a video like at the end of this.
It's maybe not good to film like as we're doing and as we're learning.
It was stressful.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot of breakdowns.
Also because there's been a lot of heat. So we're doing this out in the heat, like 90, 95 degrees. It's just been hard.
It's really grody.
Yeah.
Yeah, but got the battery up and running, charge controllers up and running. Still not connected to solar. Right now we're running off the power that's just already fueled up in the battery from the factory. But yeah, DC seems to be online, so I thought we'd celebrate this by recording it. I haven't shown Brittany yet, so
I'm very excited.
Yeah, I wanted to test it out before the camera, just so any frustrations. I'm trying to cuss less.
Should I try plugging in an outlet?
Here, no. So that's AC powered.
Oh, which one do you have right? Oh, the fan maybe?
I still don't have AC on mine.
Okay.
But here, let's work our way up.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I installed that.
Yeah, you did.
It is easy, but
still, now I have a little fan by our faces.
Check it out.
You did it!
It's actually like pretty.
Wow. Wow, this feels nice, and it's super energy efficient.
Yeah, it's only running like at less than an amp. Whoa.
Because I haven't screwed it over here yet.
That makes sense. Yeah, it's running at less than an amp, 12 voltage. It's also can run on 24 volt. Yeah, it's again all power.
Chris, you did it.
I've done part of it.
But I feel like if you got this done, you'll probably knock the other part out.
Probably. This was actually the one I was more concerned about DC, like stupidly, because I was kind of trying something that I hadn't really seen a lot of people try. So here, I'll. You want to pass off the camera? Or?
Sure. Do you want to explain?
Yeah. So, oh yeah, this is our little.
Let me grab this one so I can just clean up the car.
Garage electrical setup. So I was trying something I hadn't seen a lot of people try or doing. I actually set up 2 fuse boxes because I didn't know where I can ground the negative wire that would be coming back from the appliances. So I thought, why not run another fuse? Yes, I know my fuses are mismatched except for the 5s. It's because I bought a pack of very low amp fuses, amp rating fuses, and yeah, they came with multiples of 5 and 7.5, which are too high for a lot of these. but the max fan does run at 5, so I have a 5 going in and a 5 going out. I know it's double the protection. It doesn't really make sense. It's not for protection. I just needed a return circuit. I do have a ground line over here. Let me see if I can squeeze up and get it. There's a ground up there. For sure. Yeah, there's a ground up there, but that's running from the inverter. Yeah, I wasn't sure if I could like mix AC and DC ground lines. I know I could have easily Googled that now that I'm thinking about it in retrospect, but it didn't occur to me at the time. So instead, I went ahead and got 2 fuse boxes. I know I could have used like a negative bus bar, but couldn't find any. I'd have to do Amazon, and then we were kind of running out of time with yeah, we were running out of time with like our build. I mean, here we are like a week later, but yeah, we were running out of time on our lease, so we weren't sure how long we were gonna stay, and we were trying to stay not too long, so I went ahead and I got another fuse panel. Yeah, so you can use, and I heard it's better to actually have the circuit return to the battery. So I wanted to do that instead of just like sending it off as ground. I wanted to complete the circuit because I don't know if that's an open circuit, but I'm not trying to find out if that is. But yes, don't ride my ass about how I'm mismatching fuses. I know that, but it's such low amperage and such low voltage that it shouldn't make. It's the 3 and the 4, it's only off by 1 amp, so I don't think it could cause like any catastrophic disaster. But yeah, this first line is it's the fuse box LED light slash switch. That's the first one. The second one is, actually I don't even need to read the tags, I could just look at them by the fuses. The second one is the Sirocco fan, the little mini fan, and then the third one is the max fan. Yes, I know I have a negative line as a black cable, black wire connected to red wires. That's because I didn't find out that what's it called, batteries and stuff for vehicles require, they do like red is hot and black is not hot. So yeah, I just kind of thought black was like, oh no, sorry. Yeah, for battery, yeah, and everything else it's like red is hot. Yeah, red is hot and everything else, but in like RV and like vehicle stuff, black is hot, because on the max fan, I tucked away the cable, but on the max fan, it shows, there's an old tag, yeah, that says black line is hot, is the positive line. Same with the Sirocco too, those wires are tucked away. But yeah, so I was under the impression that black was always the hot line. I'm rambling at this point, so yeah, I'm just gonna do a video about electrical in a more detailed manner, because there's a lot of things I wish I had known that more people were like detailed about, but also like explain details that you can kind of overlook, because I kind of overkilled electrical in like a more stressful way, so yeah, hence why it took like 3 weeks. Also, I should have done electrical first, but yeah. Yeah, okay, well, I'm gonna wait for Brittany to come back, and then we can do the rest of the middle tour. Bye! Brittany's gonna do the honors. I already turned on the light before, so...
Oh, you know it works!
Huh? Yeah,
know-
I
oh.
told you. I only haven't tested the max fan.
Oh, okay.
But I'll let you do that. I'll let you see it for yourself.
Yes.
Oh, and then,
No, here, I want you to do it.
yeah.
This is your work.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let there be light.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hold on. Wow, Chris.
And I wired it properly, so on actually means on. And
Good
off doesn't mean
job.
off.
Chris, that's incredible.